Do you know that an international team, including several researchers from the Max Planck Institute for Radio Astronomy in Bonn, has mapped the active galaxy OJ-287 with an angular resolution of 12 microarc seconds in the radio range. This is currently the highest resolution that can be achieved with astronomical observations. This was made possible by the technique of interferometry with very long baselines. The signals from 12 radio telescopes, one on board the Russian Spectre R satellite, were combined. The resulting virtual telescope had a diameter of 193,000 kilometers. The galaxy OJ-287 is located 5 billion light-years from Earth in the direction of the constellation Cancer. It belongs to the class of so-called blazars, galaxies with a supermassive black hole at their center. Apparently, there are even two black holes hidden in the heart of galaxy OJ-287. In the immediate vicinity of these gravity traps, so-called jets of gas, emerge in two opposite directions. These emit radiation that varies in strength.
For daily video updates, subscribe to Only Facts.